Yes, my people, now welcome. Yes, the live action, the live matter will carry come inside. Yes, Football Republic podcast. The one with the Republicans, and I will carry come here so that Nagofi enjoy every. This one we call them Euroball yarns. Everything we consign European football from Premier League, Spanish La Liga, Bundesliga, Serie A, French League 1, Champions League. We'll go talk about them. And this one, they come on the stables of Wazobia FM. Remember, yes, the Republicans, we can't wait to make sure, say, and don't miss any of the info. Updates, like I always call them. Yes, we will give now as he could come from inside the Wodo Europe. I said now welcome. This one at the first RNG, and surely we will give now every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Just they check out our social media. You go make sure say yes. If they check them out, you go get all the updates. All they carry come to come give now. But today we will start for this first RNG of this Euroball yarns. Make I tell us, I know they alone inside the studio. I did with my goons them, my guys them. Yes, I go start out from the lady, the one we then call Sexy Joe. Mwah, mama.
Ew.
Thank you.
Jovita, AK-47.
It is sad.
Ngwano,
Yes, so, Jodia. Yes, on top of this one, my people, like, welcome. And it's good to be here. And of course, I said, Timmy TikTok and the first RNG, and be this one. I'm going to enjoy us. They go toilet like that.
That's why, yes, and as he say no dull in day now, we always carry somebody. We be say yes. Sometimes he go mumu, sometimes he go get sense. But I hope so today he go get sense. Him na papi non-stop, papi for the girls, papi for everything from San Diego himself. Papito Yusuf Shedrack, welcome.
You see, at the very excitement because we not carry this ball come out from Agege, so it go be Agege ball. Now from Europe, now what they do as Euroball. And they call me Papito, aka Papi Non-Stop. Today, the jolly na non-stop.
Yes, based on the jolly saying and non-stop, Moku sharply dive into the matter will carry come. And Moku start from the EPL, the Premier League, the English Premier League. We've been see over the weekend, Manchester City then play their match against Leeds United. People don't they talk plenty about Marcelo Bielsa, the kind of football we bring come England and the rest of it after they get promotion just last year. And Pep Guardiola, he don't always hail Marcelo Bielsa. Say him na coach will say him go like to still learn under the way when they play football because they play positive football. But upon all these hailings, the budget of Manchester City not be the same thing as the budget of Leeds United.
Yes,
you understand?
Yes. I was there when they signed the budget.
Okay, thank you very much. But the truth of the matter be say over the weekend, we see Pep Guardiola lose against Marcelo Bielsa, even as Leeds United get one man down from first half. This one, a big problem for Pep Guardiola based on the fact, say, people don't talk, say, they won't go win quadruple, 4 titles. Sexy Joe, is this still possible?
Of course, it is very, very possible.
To win 4 titles. Nobody don't do it for England, though.
It is very, very possible. Because I know see, like Manchester United, now 11 points, 9 Man City take past Manchester United. I don't know how Manchester United won't use one to take catch up. Unless they tie the legs of other teams where we say then go play next. Because they don't play only 31. Man City play 32. So I now can't know how they go take tie other teams' leg to make up for that point. Because as I take do the mathematics, so then there's 63 points.
Professor.
Now the 63 points, then play 7 games.
See my school fees is working.
Into 7, now waiting. Now 80 plus 3. Yeah, we're getting 21. Thank you very much. That's 21. If you join them with the 63, where then get nice, 84. Now you go they get. So how in the world they won't carry one? Now Juju they won't use. So I don't see anybody when won't follow them drag anything. You see the quadruple.
So you mean say this one where they lose? Quadruple.
It doesn't matter. Not be only one game. What of Liverpool we don't lose back to back. In fact, their own is a hit. It's more than I go even fit to
Jovita, I want to support you for this one. You see, the only problem where I get with Pep for that game where they play against Leeds, you know the year what? They are to make where Pep they chop every morning before you go pitch. Now one spoon he chop daddy. Now one listen to beat them. He not finish the plate. But I give you the rest assurance. See, forward game where they come. If you finish Otomoko, where I prepare for from Papi FC ministry, on San Diego ministry, everything go seriously where there.
And if you check out the kind games where they get on ground, they get against Crystal Palace, against Aston Villa, against
team.
even Chelsea.
My team them.
Even if which Chelsea na my team.
Chelsea, but Chelsea.
Even at that, Man City, if they lose too much, they feel lose like maybe a game, draw maybe one. The rest now winning now. Any kind of here. The title is already in the kitchen, so you go they talk them.
Kitchen is already the kitchen. But for Manchester City, now bad news for them because, like I'm or not, Marcelo Bielsa collect 4 points from them. Remember, say the other one we then play for Eland Road, now 1-1 in the end. Then come Etihad, then chop 3 points. But Mokusi as Manchester City go they continue their waka to win quadruple this season. Quadruple now 4 titles, if you must know. Nobody don't do it for England before. Manchester United and then do it for 1999.
Wait, the quadruple now wait.
Now 4 titles.
Eh.
And the 4 titles.
Like a quadruplet.
No. The 4 titles, then they name them well.
Okay.
Not be just any kind title. Say you go win one friendly match, the cup. You can't say you want no. You go win all the major cups for inside England. Now only Manchester United don't do treble before. Then do 98-99 season. And Liverpool will do treble. Then say no be treble. Say that their treble na fake treble.
Say na baritone.
But from there, Moku Shepali enter, the other match, the biggest match for inside the Premier League over the weekend. Tottenham Hotspur against Manchester United. And you want to say Jose Mourinho against the former club. Against Manchester United, Ole Gunnar Solskjaer. Before this match, they are two done it assist themselves, Sexy Joe. Ole Gunnar Solskjaer come out to come talk say, the coaches them where they win league title. Say where they always say now because of ego. That's why they win title. Say if you want to show yourself, now just make you finish well for the league position. That is when you can show yourself. But Jose Mourinho come out. He say, who is talking? Say, who is that Bonkwa?
You see, Jose Mourinho, it's always talking. When we were in secondary school, his name was always the name of
noisemakers.
Every time.
Because now you be class captain that time.
Yes, I was a class captain.
I can understand. But Sexy Joe,
always talking.
Sexy Joe, what do you expect from yesterday? Manchester United beat Tottenham Hotspur. Nobody see them they come, but then win again. Away win for Manchester United. 23 on the bounce.
It no matter. It no matter. After all, tell me the team whenever lose since this season.
Jovita,
No, but Jose Mourinho be say he won't be say he don't they lose now frequently. He don't they lose for nobody.
If they lose for nobody because your hand club, is it follow back?
Calm down.
Ashwari, we are talking Jose Mourinho.
Even Real Madrid, even though say at the point for weekend in the top table, they're not sharper for the hand of teams like Cadiz.
Make I show you. Calm down now. Make I show you the list of people who don't beat this Tottenham.
Tell us.
Leicester City don't beat them.
Bagam.
Liverpool don't beat them 2 times.
Bagam.
Everton don't beat them.
Bagam.
Arsenal, West Ham, like that. The only person, calm down. The only team we never beat them are Mosquito. And the reason why they never beat them because they're very, very, very fresh for what the match for there. You see, Jose Mourinho, I talked to him before. They don't believe me. When I was still his gate man, oh my God, he used my eyes to see when. When.
You know, when people dare your matter too much, you are bound to, like, at a point in time, you go to get angry. At a point in time, you go even they lose focus because people don't dare your matter. Now, the case of Jose Mourinho be that he never lose in touch, he still there in full ground. But not just a matter of time. Maybe I give him a chance. Make you do this work.
Chance. Now, something we be saying a luxury right now for Daniel Levy and Tottenham Hotspur because Tottenham Hotspur right now they don't give away 18 points from leading positions for inside the Premier League. And upon say Mourinho, we know him say every club when don't coach Papito, he always capitalize in defense from Chelsea to Porto from Porto to Chelsea to Real Madrid to Inter Milan. Back to Manchester United, Chelsea again, the coach them. Would you always see him say in defense they capitalize? But this Tottenham Hotspur, they get problem for defense.
I don't blame what you're saying. You see, before Jose Mourinho, before God answered his prayer to become the coach, where he's coaching now, he used to work in the garage. He used to, you know, the people where they pack bus. That is why you see Jose Mourinho. Anytime he don't score 1 or 2, he could just pack bus for defense. Now that same character where they used before he blow a client on top pitch, they call the pack boss. But if you notice that yesterday, after they put that one for Son, you notice say I don't feel pack boss just yet because they don't
He can't attack. The shadow passengers.
But as much as the defense, the pay as he gets. Now man we sabi. I know say a lot of people go to talk now say Jose Mourinho, you don't deal with Chelsea the second time or you no do well, you no do this one. Make I tell you, defense no be problem. Summer transfer window go soon open. They enter market, then buy defenders, then try to patch up that.
You
defense.
think this market you're entering is like for market? Where you just buy for more and they buy this thing. This is big pogri you're talking about now.
And you know, say Koro dey, nobody wey Koro no affect in
Yeah,
terms of
true.
finances.
True. That one dey, that one
They
dey.
talk about here when summer transfer window open, Jose Mourinho go definitely enter market. Sit down with Daniel Levy. Then Yana how they go take move the team forward. Defense. So many teams.
I will not
they
be in
get
that meeting.
that
I will
same
not
issue.
be in that meeting.
So many teams they get that same issue, defensive issue. Check Arsenal. See how their own day.
No even enter Arsenal. No more, no talk Arsenal.
Okay,
yeah.
more no go
More
into
never,
Arsenal.
more
No,
never,
no go there.
more never
Okay,
enter
more no
Arsenal
enter
matter.
sport.
Because if we start Arsenal matter, yeah, we no go come up for
we
here.
no go into
Boku
that
tell us say Jose Mourinho. So far, this not the worst time of his career as manager, based on say
Every
yes.
day no be Christmas.
In Waka with Tottenham, he never too sweet as people would expect. And this one said not the first time we say he go ever lose any home match against Manchester United. But a question I go ask now, Sexy Joe. Now say ACB, Tottenham still get hope to qualify for Champions League.
Who dash them?
Oh, so no hope.
They are hopeless. Who give them hope?
You see what
Which
I talk?
hope?
So
Look, they should only fight for
So-
Europa League.
Okay.
That spot, neither.
No, they don't.
Who does the Champions?
Automatic.
Fight waiting.
Sexy, you automatically don't qualify for Europa League because if they, as they don't enter final of the
That is
Carabao
if
Cup.
they debate for that seventh where they
No,
win.
Carabao Cup, they don't already give them one
What
slot.
is the guarantee? Say City no go beat them for that Carabao
If
Cup.
City beat them, City they go Champions League now. City go Champions League. The second place team
Even if City go Champions League,
go Europa League. Tottenham go qualify
let
for
them
Europa.
still cement their place.
But
where
Daniel
we're there.
Levy-
at least in terms of position for that top 10, you understand? You know, go good say because they won't go play Carabao Cup. Maybe City go Champions League now, and of course that position, that's the thing. At least for the sake of pride, let them play and of
So
course, cement.
if Tottenham no qualify for Champions League this season from league table.
Forget the Champions League.
And no, I just want to ask. Make them sack Jose Mourinho.
Why then go sack him?
So make them no sack him if they no
Timmy,
qualify.
Wait,
wait to.
Eh?
We see this.
Wetin go make them sack
Calm
am?
down. It says this.
If
Jose
they
Mourinho.
sack him, it's unfair.
Calm down. Why's your blood hot now? Didn't you
Why
drink tea
my
this
blood
morning?
no go hot?
Calm
If
down
they
now.
sack Jose Mourinho, they are being unfair. That is it.
Timmy,
What do you want to talk?
Jose Mourinho just sent me a text message.
Say what happen.
He said they're not go sack him because he don't pay in dues for the domot of football.
Okay.
So leave that talk of sack alone. Are
No
you there?
wala. We will leave that one. But Boku sharply enter other results and what happened over the weekend. Chelsea bounced back from their lose with and lose. Their
Bouncing
lose against West Bromwich Albion. This time around, then travel go their neighbor's house.
Yeah.
Go popo them 4-1 against Crystal Palace.
Then try.
Good one for Kai Havertz.
Fantastic.
He score
one.
goal,
In
at
fact,
least.
Since when we say this man, what they call Thomas Tuchel, don't come, a lot of improvement. At least the
Thomas.
man don't talk. Say in now winning in comfort. He no matter to Ram how much they take by anybody, as long as say then they win, you know consign.
Now
But
winning be
then
koko.
I feel say this winning where they win without Timo. Now eye opener.
Say
for the-
Timo no good.
Yeah, no. Now eye opener say. Na message then they pass across to Timo say see you.
Players will go
You see?
collect your shirts and they
Exactly.
ground.
They
oh.
ground.
You got it.
And even Tammy Abraham himself don't they come out now to come talk say it be like Euros you know go figo. Because they even play for Chelsea too. So problem there for that attack. Olivier Giroud they complain saying they give him time. He will be senior player.
Giroud I hear say plans there for him to come out. He don't already tell the agent say look, me na go outside as Mino Raola take the tour Europe now. They find who go buy Haaland. Say make sure
You don't want
and
come
tour
out.
Europe.
As you know they see shirts play now.
Tell them we get opening for our garage. They play 3-3
Okay.
for street football.
Thank you.
If you can apply for
Giroud,
that one.
Giroud now walk up winner, my friend.
Oh,
Now walk up winner.
Not
Be very
Show
careful.
some respect.
To get
the
careful.
people
To
for
get
our
careful.
domo, they win cup too.
Bokutana said the other result will happen over the weekend. We sweet, I know we go sweet Arsenal fans. Then beat Sheffield United 3-0. And you want to say for Arsenal, Mikel Arteta, like don't get the dressing room back because Lacazette, they informed he scored goals yesterday too.
Forget about getting dressing room back. Sheffield United, everybody they pick points off them.
So Moku no reason this
No
win.
reason go that side. No reason go that side.
Now so they don't watch Sheffield
Waiting
reach
day
now.
still day.
No, Sheffield don't relegate now.
Waiting day
I mean,
still
that's why
dey.
they don't watch them. Now they tell you now. That's why they don't watch them down. Rich.
Okay, from there, Moku talk about Liverpool. Liverpool then win their match for home. Finally, after 6 matches.
Oh, it was a miracle.
Last minute goal from the man we say everybody don't they open mouth the yam point against Trent Alexander-Arnold. Sweet goal, Sexy Joe, if you ask me.
You know, some of these players, if you check their waka so far, you go find out, say, psychologically, na the matter way something wey dey wrong with them. It's psychological because when people dey your matter, I talk about Jose Mourinho just now. Is they get wetin oyibo dey call when person you touchlight and psychologically.
Like when your village people they online.
No, when your village people dey on your matter.
Then they online now. They
they
can't
dey
get
online.
unlimited data.
Wait, now, you people
They
want
get
to tackle
unlimited
each other.
data.
Thank you, you got it. So when they dey like that, you find out say it dey affect these players. Go come be like say they no one give. Remember say this guy suffered racist abuse online. Remember say player like Mo Salah suffered the same thing. Sadio Mane, Naby Keita. How these people want to give their best when on they
so now that one cause them they lose for house. They lose for house for Anfield.
Because when people do your matter too much, oh, Timmy, you this, Timmy, you that, it get at a point, you self, depression go setting. You could even question your own ability and value to the team.
Oh no, Sexy Joe, one mama, don't be annoyed.
No, make them put the assistant coach for Liverpool. They should do assistant coach for Liverpool. It will be very good.
Okay, but I sharply give that the table from the top 4 for inside the EPL, and we can tell now the main teams that where they fight for the title right now. Manchester City with 74 points. They don't play one more game than every other team, and Manchester United they on number 2 position with 63 points. Leicester City they number 3 position with 56 points. West Ham, like you see for our screen there, West Ham safe now them they top 4. But Chelsea still they follow West Ham. They won't qualify for Champions League. Then they on 54 points for number 5 position. Liverpool they number 6 position with 52 points. Arsenal they number 9. Number 9 with 45 points for inside that matter. Okay, from there, Moku Shapali enter the Spanish La Liga.
You see, Arsenal day number...
No, you know important.
Timmy.
You know, Leeds not important.
Arsenal day number 9 because they don't reach their night.
Leave me. Leave me.
Leave me.
No, this wisdom don't run.
It don't run. Sexy Joe, Papito, Moku Shapali enter the Spanish La Liga, and the biggest game will happen over the weekend. Now, El Clasico. Yes, the one where we say Real Madrid beats Barcelona 2-1. But the starting problem now for Ronald Koeman. He start with 3 at the back. Second half, he can't change them to 4. You want to say maybe Koeman no understand how to play Real Madrid. Because remember, the first leg for Nou Camp self, now so he lose them 3-1 against Real Madrid. Now the first time we say, in a long time, I think since 2008, where Real Madrid go they beat Barcelona home and away for one season. What did they happen to Ronald Koeman? She don't understand the tactics against the big teams?
It no be about the tactics. Barcelona now work in progress.
Okay.
This man just come.
The same backer, I'll be another one.
No, the same Barcelona. Because this man, yes, na former player for the club. He know the philosophy of the club. He know how the club they go. Now he come club where get wahala on ground. He come club where we say, Mercy they talk, say, I wanna leave. He come club where we say, crack too much, financial wahala, there come people money.
1.5 billion euros.
Thank you.
9 they owe.
So if now you be player, you go to smile, come say, come and bring your 30s, let us play. For waiting now.
So now what's affect them against Real Madrid?
Barcelona are just a work in progress. By the time when Ronald Koeman go get things settled, this one we are talking
Timmy,
here.
I don't even think it's a matter of work in progress. If people are looking at the scientific, I mean, I need to take you to the spiritual. Koeman, I cut soap for him. He no use them. He don't spoil.
Chai.
You know the year what? Is before he made it, Coleman. He was into coal. He used to do coal
for Enugu, Abi.
Yeah, for Enugu.
Thank you.
But the situation is that he put his hand in it. It'll not be my consignment.
But sexy
and again, make I just add this one. Join over reliance, over dependence on Messi. Now other players know they come party.
Remember against Valladolid, now so they struggle to they score last minute goal.
Exactly.
Ousmane Dembele and score that last minute goal. But talking about still the El Clasico, Zidane, sweet times for Ram. In team gets plenty wunjo. Ramos get wunjo. Varane get coronavirus. Cavallal get wunjo. Plenty players. But even at that, Sexy Joe.
I hope that as a Real Madrid fan, I no go catch corona. Continue.
Even at that, Zidane still they get the job done on the field of play. Every time when they tell the boys, if they want to play one big match, you go say, tomorrow is a final. Tomorrow is a final. Now, waiting you win La Liga title last season. They always, in last 10 matches, if they play like in a final, you won't play. And it be like they make the boys the focus. What do you think?
For me, I think Zidane instill belief. They were hopeless before. He instill belief, he instill hope. He know they favor anybody. The other time, Vinicius Junior. See what did they play?
Against Liverpool. See the Aproka goal
when
score.
The same boy when come late for training.
Yes.
He fired him in show and said, Organa master.
Takam.
And since that time, he sit up. So he know they favor anybody.
Yeah.
Even for training, if you no do well, you sit for bench, follow order. If you do when, you know they my plan. It come out to you, go one side. Don't come and spoil the team.
At all.
He instilled belief, discipline, and focus.
Focus.
Oh,
Jovita.
that's it.
Focus.
You got it.
Jovita. I think Zidane has to take you as a second wife. It's got to say behind every successful man, a successful woman. This kind of Jovita ginger. It will make him succeed more.
Okay. But we sharply tell that the table Atletico Madrid against Real Betis then draw 1-1 for their weekend match. So you don't open up that La Liga table right now. Now just 2 points. They separate first and third. Atletico Madrid they on 67 points after 30 games. Real Madrid they on 66 points. Barcelona they on 65 points. Sexy Joe. Atletico Madrid, they shoot themselves for leg. They top this league as way back as January with as much as 11 points. But somehow, they don't lose guard. And now, title race don't open. They say breeze don't blow. Foul Nyash don't open.
You got it. You
It
see
depends
Atletico
on the
Madrid.
foul. Wait, which kind of foul now?
Chicken.
Is it guinea fowl? Okay.
Not chicken.
Because
Abolone.
the sizes are different.
Not chicken.
You know abolone, na that kind chicken. Where we say they be like vulture.
But the title race don't they open, surely.
The title race, yes, it don't open. And you talk one thing. Not be only one leg they shoot themselves.
Now the two legs they shoot because they don't come up for Champions League.
Bandage.
Because at a point in time, then they lead by a very wide margin. All of a sudden, they sit down there. And the other day, story there around say, Luis Suarez, they complain. He said the physical
nature of the training
of Diego Simeone, he won't kill them. The physical style of the man is killing some of these players' game. Even though some of them don't already used to the man, they don't spend 2 years, 3 years with him. But then the title race don't open. And at this point in time, I'm not gonna lie you. He don't open anybody fit carry him between the three of them. If Barcelona fit leave this defeat behind them and focus. Thank you. On moving forward. Chance there for them. With the kind belief where Zidane don't instill inside the players.
Now winning mentality.
There for them. With the kind ginger where they carry come back. Because at a point at the weekend, now Real Madrid been the top. Then can't win. They can't top back. But the team be say, how many points they take past Madrid and Barcelona where they no go fit catch up.
Okay.
So you don't tell her, you don't open, we don't open. Who go closer now?
Now remain.
Thank you.
And then Boko from there enter Serie A. Boko enter the Italian Serie A, Sexy Joe and Papito. And the big win for the weekend. Now say yes, Inter Milan then struggle, but then still find that 3 points. They still don't stretch their lead now on top of the lead for league table to 11 points. The last time when Inter Milan win league title, now Jose Mourinho winner for them. 11 years ago, 2010, when they win treble. But this time around, they top the table with as much as 74 points. Then beat Cagliari 1-0. Juve self win their match against Genoa 3-1. Parma lose to AC Milan 1-3 for that match. But the big news from inside Serie A, I say Zlatan Ibrahimovic, he get red card.
You see this Ibrahimovic of the person.
But not be saying they always collect red card. This one a rare red card we be say Ibrahimovic they get.
Come now. You know that we used to warn him in the house. He lack home training. Every time, come down now. Every time I tell him, not be everything where I see match go talk. He get what he tell that to the
referee.
Where make and ginger.
The referee just he just walk past the referee. All of a sudden, the referee just bring a red card.
See, I beg referee na lip reader.
No,
when did the referee begin the lip read?
No,
wait,
but
calm down.
Ibrahimovic go don't talk something.
He consign him. Shebi the waka pass. He no waka pass.
What if he consign? Remember.
Did he confront the referee?
Wait first. Remember say the referee now in the wrong package for that feed
so
at that
therefore,
time. So if you give anybody, if you talk to them, I go give you card.
He talk because he come in face talk say. Referee, now you are the talk. I am
Zlatan.
I am the lion.
I think Ibrahimovic he has sent that money for soup for this evening.
For this, yes.
He's just defending him.
Exactly.
I don't know.
Exactly. My guy.
Exactly.
Now your guy.
Okay. But we sharply talk about the other way. The other way happens for inside the Serie A. Ronaldo, the last time when he played Serbia, he been through away armband. This time around, I shirt it through away. What's he happen?
See for a good cause.
For a good cause.
Not the ball boy pick him.
Na ball boy pick him.
You don't want to give the ball boy now.
Where coronavirus di?
Corona. That I said they change shirt or they.
But why go give ball boy?
The ball boy
make him come out in
He's
shorts.
a model, role model.
So why you no pull him go give the ball boy? Why you throw him for
I
granted?
remember saying no score.
So
That's
now what's the make
That's how stars do.
So now what's the make vex?
When you no score, you vex. Two cloths. Give person.
But Jovita, I know score
You
last
vest
night.
t-shirt.
But the first one.
Make I pull off.
The first one of the amber is not for a good cause.
Yes,
the
yes.
second one too is for a good cause.
But
you know
remember,
how much that boy go sell that cloth where
no,
Ronaldo throw
but that armband
It's
own
for a
I
good
say
pass.
that armband own be say he auction am na auction, and now one of the cleaners now he pick that armband.
Chai.
Cleaners for stadium now he pick
Chai.
that. But this one I say in the verse say no score 1, 2.
That's
We can't
how
later
stars
here.
do.
We can't later
If
here
two
say
first to sing. See, you know they put cloth throw one.
wait now. We can't later here say na boy. Now boy
Now
one
you
give.
pick the class.
Respectfully give the boy. Package am give the boy. You don't need to throw him for ground.
No.
Me I disagree with
Sometimes
Ronaldo, Sha.
I don't see where player. The boy go say,
We all fling am.
Give me your shirt. He
You
go
know-
to school and say, oh yeah, take.
He throw and give him. No, you say he throw am for ground.
Timmy,
Eh?
you know that Jovita now, he don't go international. He don't leave local boys like we.
He don't they try this.
He don't dey look-
He dey support Ibrahimovic.
I suspect-
He dey support Ronaldo now. He want date 2 fine boys.
Wait till I can't even suspect. Maybe he want to see the 6 packs.
6 packs, yeah?
He want to
Oh, you are very correct. You are very correct.
Because-
the 6 packs, yes.
It's another beauty to behold.
Yeah,
And
exactly.
jokes
It's
apart,
a beaut.
jokes apart, that thing when he display the no make. You know, say
What's in the display? And then he said, now how stars do.
Calm down. Which is the
He's
star?
a superstar.
You know that now model way him be for the center stage. Everybody look up to Ronaldo and Messi. If I see babe now, I not score goal, I go just off my clothes.
Papito, no, not even babe.
That's how
Wait,
stars
Papito, do not do this at home. You can't verse, you reach out.
No,
Because
Then you
say
ask
the
me,
verse. No,
who
food
teach
no
you?
dey.
I go say Ronaldo.
Let's
Cecilio,
look
wait,
at it
wait,
in a positive
wait,
way.
Cecilio, wait, Cecilio. Food no day house right now. You enter house, you can't meet your papa for house. You meet your mama, food no day house. You just verse, push it through and for grand.
In Africa, wait, in African home, Abi,
In for African setting.
you'll be
Your words
disowned.
don't
Thank
finish.
you.
Yeah,
But
you'll be
in a
disowned.
positive way.
They've lost your ownership.
Look at what Ronaldo do. He shows he doesn't settle for less. He pen am.
There are
Say
different
no
ways
score
to
goal.
display that kind of thing.
For player, maybe the
Jovita.
highest goal scorer so far for inside Italian
No,
Serie A.
now.
Even
Jovita.
but he at least he gets 6 shots on goal more than any other player.
So why can't they vex?
He dey vex because he's a role
Timmy,
model, you know. It
Timmy.
also shows
Cecilio,
that
I know-
you
I know
don't
agree with your
settle
point.
for less.
Papi,
Timmy,
no push sharper.
this bribe is
He's
something.
working. He's working.
I don't
Yeah,
understand. This is lack of
Yeah,
confidence. In an African home, you know how many pankaren go chop?
Exactly.
He said in an African home. Not an African go Oyibo.
Okay, thank you very much. Moku Shapali entered the table. Inter Milan sit the top with 74 points. AC Milan with 63 points. Juventus number 3 position with 62 points. Atalanta they follow the Mayanya with 59 points. One of these days we go talk about Atalanta and their sabinus for inside Italian Serie A. From there, Moku enter German Bundesliga. Bayern Munich draw their match against Union Berlin at the biggest match for inside the Bundesliga. Now be that even though yes, Eintracht Frankfurt and Wolfsburg that match self carry weight because those two then play some kind of sweet football. We get 7 goals for inside that match. But for the table for inside the German Bundesliga right now, Bayern Munich they on 65 points after 28 games. RB Leipzig they on 60 points. Wolfsburg is down for number 3 position on 54 points. Eintracht Frankfurt for number 4 position with 53 points. But Sexy Joe, the bad news, Borussia Dortmund no they top 4. And only top 4 they go Champions League from Germany.
It's so sad for Borussia Dortmund.
Alan.
To be candid, I don't know. I know just know what's in there wrong with that team. Then they remind me of Arsenal most times because of the way we say things carry they go for them. The other time, that was 2 weeks ago, the upper Saturday, they don't nip that game against Frankfurt. They don't nip them in the board. Only for Frankfurt to Colobi the whole 3 points at the very last minute. And that's one show you say either lack of concentration, there's just something wrong with that team where we say if Dortmund no sharply rectify them,
Voila, good day. From there, Moku enter the French League on good win for PSG. Lille 7 win, Lyon 7 win, Monaco 7 win. But as it be right now for inside the table, just like La Liga, the points where they are 2 or the 4 teams that they separate themselves, past 5. First, they on 69 points, will be Lille. PSG, they on second position with 66 points. Monaco, they third position with 65 points. And Lyon, they number 4 position with 64 points. Okay, from there, my people, Moku Shapali enter another segment. The one this time around, they talk about Ojoro referee. Yes, what happened for weekend? We go chook eye. Ojoro referee, no do me Ojoro. This one, based on say any referee will do Ojoro for weekend, we go try check them out, see whether Moku flog them or Moku free them. Because as it be for Europe, they see plenty calls where we see no they make sense. But the one we want chook eye put, now the one will happen for inside the La Liga, the El Clasico. Jesus Gil Manzano, now be the center referee for that match where Barcelona
Even the
play
way you
Real
call
Madrid.
his name sound like Ojoro. Continue.
The first one, Sexy Joe, the foul on Martin Brightwhite.
That foul, I go say yes, na confirmento foul.
She na
because
chicken
contact
or na
dey.
guinea fowl?
Na chicken foul.
Okay.
So contact day, and of course, I see no reason why he no blow that
As penalty.
as penalty, yes, because he don't not be today. This man don't they do this thing. In 2017, if
History.
I'm correct, yes,
History.
yes, you know, security.
Can you see my school fees is working?
Yeah, your school fees is
In
working.
2017 against Villarreal, is it Villarreal or Valencia? Yeah, Villarreal.
Thank
yes.
you.
He do the same thing. Villarreal they two condo up. Gareth Bale score. Alvaro Morata score. One guy that they call Bruno for inside Villarreal team go foul somebody. Ronaldo can't take that kick. Very controversial penalty. Very controversial.
So in the always
You know
favor,
where the head and
in the
tail.
always favor Real Madrid. Now wait till they
Thank
try
you.
to.
I they come. I get plenty things to tell
Evidence.
you. For this. Yes, evidence because we catch him like this red-handed.
Hey, Jovita.
Continue it.
Now, he played that penalty. Now that, in fact, how Real Madrid they come from behind, come win that game. People still they surprised you today. That penalty was even the nail on the coffin's head. Now, in terms of this same referee, where then they call
Manzano.
he don't give Barcelona players in 20 appearances 4 red cards. Real Madrid in 31 appearances.
You dey document this thing for your diary.
Because in fact, this man, I targeted him. I targeted him, and they fall into.
Nobody
because
should
when
enter
he won
Jovita's
this
list
game,
of targets.
A
At
lot
all.
of fans come online, then
Yeah.
they talk, then they para, say, why give this man? Now Lahore supposed to officiate that game.
Mathieu
He
Lahoz.
He come sick. They call say, okay,
Me Manzano. Carry whistle.
This same Manzano, after that game for inside 2017, after that game for inside 2017, he carry nylon with Madrid logo go house.
So what are you saying?
I don't know. What are you seeing?
What are you saying?
You heard?
No. Say it with your full chest.
No, I say he carry
At least your
nylon
chest is heavy.
With Madrid
Your
logo.
chest is heavy.
I suspect
Say
he's
it.
a
Heavy with what? Is it with problem or?
No, it's heavy. She has to spill it
In
out.
fact, this
What is
man,
heavy
na
is
the only
spill it out.
man- The only man where don't send off Messi, Luis Suarez, and Neymar when they day.
But what if they mess up for the match?
And wait,
If
I
they
think
mess up, why you not play
Jimmy.
this penalty?
I support her.
Okay.
You know why?
Why?
This man, he married in Real Madrid.
Really?
That's why I'm supporting them.
No wonder.
I
no
was
wonder.
there when they were sharing the dowry.
Oh, really?
Ala Madrid. Yes, I
You
saw.
follow collect inside the dowry.
Mike.
Na transport you use come
Why I
Nigeria.
never shop? I actually carry one or two.
The referee still had 4 minutes of Gerard time for the match, but the man we then call Gerard Piqué go confront him after the match finished. They tell him say, "Guy, you dey fuck up. You dey fuck up. Why you go give 4 minutes time?"
Even if your microphone no dey work, you adjust am. For you to know, so what happened in 2017? I
don't
smell
happen again.
Nkapi. Yes. I don't know if you are smelling it since you said
I know-
you get kata.
I know kuku
but
smell
me,
am.
I smelled Nkapi.
I no smell him. I no smell him.
Now, you adjust before you adjust them. You can't add 4 minutes. Why not add at least 8 minutes?
Why?
Why
How many
not go
minutes?
add 8
How many minutes you use rectify in
You people
microphone?
should calm
In
down.
fact,
You people should calm
how
down.
How many
Wait,
minutes you
wait,
use
wait,
correct in microphone?
Wait,
Who
calm
send
down.
a message? If
No,
your
if
manager
microphone no
does
dey
that,
work now.
So
Calm
therefore-
down.
You no use reach 3 minutes.
why
Take
you go
fix that
there,
thing.
Why
Like
you go
I
add
said.
So
4
why you go
minutes?
add 8
You
minutes?
should have added more.
Oh, really?
If you know say you no favor Madrid,
Yeah.
why you no add more?
Timmy, you people should calm down.
Okay.
Now, you look at that situation. PK is asking for extra time, right? Do you know what he's doing with Shakira?
What did they do with Shakira?
Every time with Shakira, he's always asking for extra time. That is why he went to the referee. Only got wait to calm down.
The only thing where
With that
I
same
see
way to
wrong-
calm down now.
I don't die.
That same extra time.
Now in the
What
fine.
to
Extra time.
Now you go me to the free for.
Thank you very much. Yeah,
Na
but,
the only thing I know say
Because I
PK
don't
no
think
go
that
good.
one need
Eh.
extra
He dey
minute
bench,
for that
he
game.
no get right to go meet referee. He collect yellow because of what he do.
okay. But now we don't conclude. Say,
Nah, just yellow card, no be yellow fever.
the,
Suppose
the
I know
referee,
that.
It's not. It's
Jesus
not
Gil Manzano, he no try. So we got to flog him.
He's a Real Madrid
We
fan.
got to flog him. Say, according to Cecijo, he say he no try.
He no try.
So we no fit free him.
So
we
many
go flog him.
controversies.
Okay, from there, my people, Moku Shapali enter the last segment. This one, a one-on-one. Yes, the one will be say yes. These two people who I get inside the studio, they go argue out waiting go happen for inside the UEFA Champions League. The match between Barcelona and the match between Bayern Munich and PSG. Remember, say PSG win the first leg. 3-2 for inside that match. And as we make a tell and say yes, the two guys will go argue now Papito and Sexy Joe. Remember, like I tell now before, one of them go there on the side of Bayern. The other one go there on the side of PSG. We want to know who go win tomorrow. Remember, like I tell now, PSG they lead from the first leg. 3-2 for inside that match. And as Bayern Munich, they feel say they still want to defend their title. Last season final. Now these two teams beat for the final, and that's to be Bayern Munich win by 1-0. But make I enter, talk to the guys. So make I start from Papito.
Timmy, wait, before we start, let me just surrender.
See
that she has won the argument. You know why? Wait, come now. You know the reason why.
Why?
Maka, why? But last week, me and this weekend I just went away. Jovita was vexing for me.
Why?
Because I won all the games we played together. So she's going to use that vengeance and attack me this time. Okay. So get ready. She has won.
She has won.
The of everything.
Sexy Joe, your floor.
More or less, I go talk say. In as much as I want to talk, say Bayern go fit bounce back, I go say they no fit. Now, 80% of the games where they don't play, with the help of Lewandowski goal, when he did present, because right now he out injured. And not just Lewandowski, some very key players as well, they injured. They not follow for that game when they play the first leg for against PSG. They no follow. And imagine waiting these guys like Gnabry, like Goretzka, like Lewandowski, like Coman, they bring to the table. Now, these guys know they. Even Goretzka managed play, I think, 32 minutes or so before he get that wound or come out, he no come play again. Now, all these guys, they out. Lewandowski now strike away, we say they smell goal even before they start ball.
So, what's be your verdict?
My verdict be say, even though say Bayern don't beat them like 3 times, 3-1, 3-1, 1-0 for final. This time around, na PSG get up.
PSG na get up. Papito.
They should surrender.
I will surrender too. Anyway, you think PSG has it because AKA pretty sexy girls. You know, women rule the world.
Yes.
And
according to them.
And what will a team like a Bayern do when you see too much pretty sexy girls? You just surrender.
You surrender.
So, just like me, I'm surrendering.
You are surrendering. You don't want to fight.
Nothing again.
On this one-on-one.
Because Lewandowski is not there. Even the Boateng, where they carry cup. You know, Boateng is still in. Sorry. Rehab.
He get wound.
I learned a lot from him. Now I don't.
You don't learn again.
You know that his girlfriend, you know what happened to his girlfriend? That thing, if you look on top of that pitch, it affects in psychological preoccupations. Oyibo. I don't know how that came out.
Oyibo.
I don't know how it came out. But you understand what I mean?
Thank you.
That is why I don't even break up with my girlfriends now.
Exactly.
Because I don't want them to go and commit another thing. It affected the boy, I think. On the pitch.
Okay.
Lots of injured players for that Bayern team.
I tell you.
No hope.
So, Natu, they give PSG
pretty
the win.
sexy girls.
Yes, they don't enter semi-final. Be that for inside this one. And they go meet whoever win between Manchester City and Borussia Dortmund. Yes, thank you very much, Sexy Jovita Ike. Say you follow me show face for the first RNG of this podcast, the Euroball Yans. And for Papito, thank you very much. Eshepupo, Nagode, Obrigado. Thank you very much. Say you show face. And my people, when they listen to us, as it be, yes, now here we go conclude all the matter as it concerns, yes, Euroball Yans, based on say, yes, we don't give now the latest from inside the Bodo Europe. Till went on again next time in a Kajat, Mena Dewell, Niger at the Halo.